Hello. How are you feeling, Tom?
I'm feeling confident.
So do you know what? I'm thinking about your first adventure in a Grenadier.
I think definitely for me in Scotland, I've not been up there before. How about you?
I think I'm going to go into Europe, put it back in its habitat in terms of going up mountains. Maybe finding some lakesides to go and camp by, starting to test it off-road a bit more, putting it where it needs to be. I think what I've been really impressed with the Grenadier is just that transition from off-road on-road.
Yeah.
It's just seamless.
I think that's the real surprise for most people. You expect it to drive noisy, uncomfortable, bouncy. But we're on road having a conversation though, it's comfortable.
It's a lovely drive. It's just super